Hello everyone, we're back for part 3, this time with the stamping plate Clarastel 8 M035, and we're still going to use BAM White from Maniology. And we're going to do this negative space background, and I'll show you how I transfer the image to my square stamper. Enjoy. So instead of doing like I'd previously done before, this time I just take out the polish without scraping anything, because these are bigger images, so you are going to have to apply a lot more. And I'll do it again, and I'll scrape. And I'll get one of the score stampers, lift, trying to work really fast here. I waited too long with this image, so it's somewhat dried, but here's this one, and it transferred beautifully. You can see the elephants and the trees, you can see the clouds and the birds. And again, I took my sweet time on this one, but it's a somewhat decent image. Not that great, so we'll scrap that one. We're going to move on to this next one. I've done a nail art on this one. It came out cute. If you want to see the image, I have it on my Instagram. And again, I will lift, and oh no, I think this one was a little bit better. But as you can see, oops, there we go. Let me see if I can get it to focus. As you can see, the first one came out better than the second one. I'm going to attempt to flip the plate and see if that works a lot better. But that's how I do it. Sometimes I'll use both. In this case, I would have to scrap this one here and do this side again. This side did transfer nice. Maybe you can salvage that, but this image is not pretty. So if there's an image that I do like and I see I can work with it, I'll just, take off the excess over here, and there we go. And I use the corners of the tape to clean up whatever I do not want on the nail, to make it more cleaner and crisp. And there, it looks really nice. This one transferred beautifully, so I'll just clean off whatever I do not want or need. So let's do this side right here. Maybe I'll be able to transfer the image full, or transfer the full image. It will fit, as you can see, so I'm hoping I'm able to pick up the whole thing. So let me see, maybe, here we go. We're going to apply deliberately. And scrape. Oh, wow. There we go. So I took a quick peek to the image. You can see the mountains on the background, the dragon, the two people who are walking, the city, and the scenery. It's so beautiful. I was able to pick up the whole image. Yay! You can see I want to say they're birds or... No. Okay, so again, if there's some details that you don't want, because it is close, I will use the tape and clean up whatever I do not want on my nail. I love nail art. Just so relaxing and fun. There we go. A much cleaner image. Let's try that again. One more image. Let's try to do... what about this one? It has a lot of intricate detail. No luck. Took too long. It could also be because I didn't put enough, so we'll see. Let's try the next one. I'm having a hard time with this camera in the way. Let me see here. I hope you guys can see. Here, we'll do this one. This one came out really good. Could be a little bit better. I tried doing the upper motion instead of the side motion. So let's see. You do have to find a little bit of a way of how it works. I'm trying to get out of focus here. Let me... There we go. This one came out beautiful. You can see every detail on the building. And right here you can just clean that up. And you can fill that in and remove that. So you can clean this up, apply clear coat, and then just cut off what you need. I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed it. If you have any comments or ideas of what I can do better, but this is what I do. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. You just gotta try again. Bye.